What's going on, everybody? Right now we are on our way to Chris's aunt uncle house in, I keep saying Casa Grande. It's Arizona City, and we're going to just visit family, have dinner, do a late gift exchange, even though Christmas was about 2 weeks ago. Yeah, super late. Cam in the cut, looking sleepy. Hi, baby. Uh-oh.
So McQueen is one that they added in on the expressway. I never seen it. Like when we on the 60, I never seen it. Right here.
Yeah.
You should jump off McQueen to the right. A bunch of people just said that. It's corny.
It's not corny. Right now we're arguing about whether or not we should have an intro to our vlogs, and Chris thinks it's corny. I think we should.
It's not a TV
Comment below and let me know.
I don't think it's a TV show. I think we just recording, you know, natural stuff. What we do. It's not Arizona definitely got a lot of mountains, a lot of scenery.
Beautiful mountains. Can barely see them on the camera though. It looks big from my eyes, but not on the camera. There is the outlet mall.
What is this? Chandler Premium?
Chandler Premium, only been there once. Next to a casino, I thought. Where's the casino?
Right there. It's like a hotel casino.
Been living in Arizona for 2.5 years, and I still have not been. Oh, actually, yes, I have been to one casino. But since we live so close to Vegas, I'd rather just drive to Vegas.
Everybody rather drive to Vegas. How do you not like Vegas? We need a Vegas trip soon too.
We do need a Vegas trip. I was just talking to my sister-in-law about that.
Hangover Part 5. It's gonna be crazy. Recorded too. When's the last time we went? Halloween weekend.
Is that the last time?
It's the last time I was there.
Oh yeah, no, the last time I went was when me and Cam went with my mom.
Oh yeah, you stayed in there.
And the Golden Nugget, yep.
I want to stay at the Luxor.
I don't want to stay at the Luxor. Luxor is an old, cheap hotel.
I like that. It has that original. That's where Tupac stayed.
What did you bring it for?
Say hi, Jessica. Who said you want to be on the vlog? This ain't for Cam's, it's for ours. You get Myers.
Say hi, sugars. Look it.
Mummies.
Say hi, sugars.
Say hi, Myers.
Say hi, sugars.
Not her face.
What do you want it?
Hmm? Really? Hey, Rumbo.
I cracked mine too.
Excuse me, Rumble.
Hey, go back. Come on. Go on, Rumble.
Grab a plate and some silverware and help yourself. Get yourself something to drink.
That much?
You threw up on me a couple of times. You sure
Did I
did.
pull off Grandma's earring? Grandma keeps to say that I put off the earring, that's why
split up?
her thing
Yeah.
split.
Oh, I got her birthday clothes.
Liza, it's the best thing ever.
Man, that rash looks bad on her neck.
Well, she has a rash where?
It was worse. It got better.
No, Maya. That might TT's stomach hurt.